Hey YouTubers, hey, today I was having problems about a week ago. I tried to start my '07 Chevy Tahoe, wanted to crank like and it'll start me. It did it for a week and then I had the wife take it in AutoZone, have the battery tested. It said it was a battery and they told her it's at 80%. 80% that is bad or new. So because I sent her, because I was at work, so I got a brand new battery and they drained it again like overnight. It didn't even start up. So what happened, most of the time it's main one you gotta check, it's your ground wire. But if you're gonna change it, get it from the dealer. Because it splits into like 3 wires. It goes to the bottom and it bolts on right behind here. So you got to take off your whole bumper so it will replace your ground wire. Okay, but in this case it was my starter. I messed with it in the bottom and it cranked it. It turned. It was dragging. So it was a starter. The '07 Chevy Tahoe. I replaced the battery and it still did it, and it was a starter. So check your starter, check your terminals, clean them up, clean up your terminals, and check your ground right here, y'all, on this side. There's this ground wire that has to be cleaned up right here. It goes to the battery ground, and it's got another ground. It's got another ground here. This one, if it's loose or something, you check it. But that's what I noticed. It wasn't a battery. It was a bad starter. When it starts dragging a week before, and then it starts, there's something going on. It's telling you. But I hope this video help you fix the problems. But it's a '07 Chevy Tahoe. It's the LT model. It's the LT model, but this is how it is. It's sitting on 24-inch wheels, 2-inch drop, a 3-inch drop in the back, spindles. It's better if you do it right. If not, that butterfly, you wear all your tires. So, all right, man.